Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath this video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, and that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. Like I said, it's found right underneath the video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance again for that thumbs up. Okay, so excited because finally my IPSY Glam bag has arrived, and I always look forward to this bag the most during the month because this is where it all started for me, and it's where I always tell you guys, if you don't know if you're into getting monthly subscription boxes, this is where I tell everybody to start because it is the most attainable. They also supposedly are only supposed to put in here 5 deluxe sample sizes, but you always end up getting somehow a full size or 2 in here. So I'm always excited to see what they decide to put in the bags for us. On top of it is the only subscription that I know that actually puts a bag in to our subscription at no additional cost, and it does not count as one of the 5 items that are going to be in the bag. And this month, I think they outdid themselves. This is the gorgeous bag for the month of October. It has this cute little mouth on here with the fangs and a little bit of the accent of the green. They put a lipstick pull in here with a little bit of the green. This is the only area on this bag that I can see that they actually have the IPSY name. Usually it's somewhere else on the bag. It's not on the back, and the back is plain. And when you open it up, this one is also not lined, so they don't have that IPSY logo on the inside either. So I just think they outdid themselves with the bag this month, and I think this is just the cutest. So let's get started with what's in the bag. I also do add-ons in this bag, but I always do that as a separate video because if I choose to get add-ons and I get up to the number 5 items, I then do a separate video that I call it my own customized bag. And I will put that in a separate video so this video doesn't go on too long. So we're gonna focus today on the IPSY Glam bag. So I do have my notes because they usually have it inside the package here, and they do this month, which is right here. Everything that's in the bag is in here and it's on the card, but I have some extra notes that gives us a little bit more information on the products that are going to be in here. Also, I take a picture prior to for Instagram. So if you're not following me there, my name there is Instagram, is True Wants with the number 2, and that's on Instagram. I'm able to do a couple of extra things there that don't, need a video. So if you're not watching or just checking me out on Instagram, True Wants with the number 2, you are missing out a little bit of other things that I'm able to share. So I really hope that you will follow me there too. All right. Okay. So starting with the first item, which ended up being my choice item, and you also get to choose 1 item in this bag as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So this is what I ended up choosing for myself because I've had the opportunity to use other eyeshadows, from this brand, and I really enjoyed it. So when I saw that the colors were a little bit more unique, I could not wait to get my hands on this one. So this is called the Blushing Rose Eyeshadow Palette. This is the travel size. They're saying that these 4 eyeshadow shades are silky smooth, ultra blendable, highly pigmented, and clean too. You won't find any parabens, gluten, or talc. It's just good for you ingredients like vitamin E and coconut oil. They're saying you can mix and match the matte and shimmer shades to create endless eye looks, and it's vegan and cruelty free. They're saying Chella believes in discovering and celebrating your true beauty. They aim to simplify your makeup routine and bring you the best ingredients and formulas out there. So that is what this is here. And let's open her up. See if I can open her. Yeah. Okay. And we're going to do some swatches, and we will get to see what these colors actually look like up close. So this is really, really pretty, and these are so perfect for fall. All right. So we have 2 shimmer shades, this one, and then we have 2 mattes. So let's see when we put them on what they look like. Yeah, they're beautiful, and they also go on beautiful. They're very silky, look how much is still left on my fingers. That's, I mean, you saw me go in once, no big swirls or anything. Really, really enjoy this brand. And like I said, to be able to get, and I always tell you guys in the add-on section, when you see these for like $3, grab them, because it gets you the opportunity to test the formulas, and you're only investing $3 in 4 eyeshadows, which to me is absolutely fantastic. The next item I'm really, really excited about that they chose for me is called Goldfaden MD, and everything that I have tried from this brand I have really, really enjoyed. This is the Dr. Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. They also sometimes give us on the website some discount codes, which I will also leave in the description box down below, and there will be a 20% discount on this brand. This is the Deluxe sample. It's an exfoliator. They're saying this scrub features ruby crystals to help polish away dead skin surface, which helps you leave your skin feeling brighter and tighter. Plus, it's formulated with hyaluronic acid, which is a super moisturizing molecule. And they're saying it's for skin quenching hydration that will last. It's saying it is gently, and they're saying this is key. Massage a dime size amount onto your damp skin. For a décolleté scrub down, massage a liberal amount on the chest and your neck area, and you could do it twice a week. They're saying it's all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. And this is a brand that was founded by Dr. Gary Goldfaden, who was a dermatologist for over 40 years. He is a physician. Strength products are innovative, result driven, and great for those with sensitive skin. Very, very important when they tell you to use the dime size amount. Make sure that you read the instructions and you use it very sparingly. This also had a safety seal that took me a while to take off, and I tried to take off some of the safety seals prior to sitting down here so that I could swatch the product for you guys and show you and tell you what the consistency feels like. When I took, and like I said, some of these safety seals are so, they're almost like medical products that are so sealed. This is what the product looks like here. And when I'm placing it on my hand here, you can feel the particles. Do you see that? They're just beautiful. And the color that you're seeing is because of the swatches that I did. I should have swatched my eyeshadows at the end. That's what that color is. Otherwise it would be clear. It's only because of the the swatches that I just did. So it feels like really tiny sand particles. So really excited about that. But like I said, when they tell you, you know, it's a dermatology and so on and so forth, read the instructions to make sure you only use the amount that they tell you. The next one, so excited. This is a product that I own and enjoy. This is from the brand called Ouai. It is a detox shampoo. This is a deluxe sample, and this size is huge. It's 30 ml. They're saying this is a deep cleaning shampoo that removes excess oil and buildup with clarifying apple cider vinegar, and even helps strengthen your hair with a keratin protein. It says massage into your wet hair to create a foamy lather, then rinse thoroughly. When you can follow this also with conditioner. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. And about the brand, they're saying this was founded by a celebrity hairstylist, Jen Atkin, and Ouai's collection of treatments and stylers are here to help you score a good hair day every day, but without all the fuss and the efforts. This also had a safety seal on it. I took it up a little bit just so I can see the scent, and it is just a really fresh scent. So really excited that this was in my bag as well. This I was hoping for. This is the Pistachio skincare. It's a pistachio hand cream, and pistachio is one of my favorite ice creams. So this is a deluxe sample hand cream. It says not only does pistachio oil smell delish, it's a great source of vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, all necessary for smooth baby soft hands. You can apply to hands and elbows as needed, working the cream into the skin for the maximum hydration. They're saying this is also vegan and cruelty free. And they're saying this is about the brand. They're saying the name Sima Mosta Favi wanted to harness the power of vitamins and mineral-rich California pistachio oil by formulating a high-quality natural products. So she launched what she's calling Pistachio skincare. This also had a safety seal on her, so I took that off completely, and I just took a quick sniff of this product. And it is a green color there, but it doesn't smell to me like pistachio. What this smells like to me is those delicious biscottis, and they're just you can smell the nuts, and it is just so scrumptious. If putting this on your hand doesn't make you go to the cookie cupboard, I don't know what else will. So really excited about that. And then the last item here is one that I was looking forward to, because everything that I have tried from this line I have really enjoyed, including this. This is the Power Wear Blush, and it's called Make It Pop. This is RealHer, and this is a deluxe sample. It's a blush. This is a coral shimmer blush. It just might be your secret to a warm flush all year round. This is a long wear formula that is infused with skin-loving antioxidants to protect your skin from environmental aggressors. Plus, it blends on so smoothly and never looks cakey. You could use the blush brush to sweep onto the apples of your cheek and blend upward towards your ears. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Now, about the brand, they're saying this is the feel-good brand that we can really get behind. RealHer is a gorgeous, high-quality line founded by a devoted father who was inspired by the birth of his beautiful daughter. Each product is paraben-free and cruelty-free, and it's intentionally inscribed with positive affirmations to spread good vibes to women everywhere. And that's why he calls this the Power Wear Blush. And this is what it looks like here. That's the back of the packaging there. It has a mirror inside here as well, which is fantastic in deluxe sample sizes. And is that not a stunning color? So let's do a swatch of this and see the color up close. And that is what that gorgeous color looks like there. And it is stunning. And that is, look at that pop of color. Just beautiful. Like I said, am over the top with this bag. I could not wait for this to arrive. As you know, on the 2nd of every month, I share with you what's going to be in the bag. We go through add-ons and all that stuff. So I know what's going to be in the bag, but until you get it into your hands and be able to play with the colors and the scents, it always just takes me over the top. So like I said, I do have add-ons. I will do a separate video on that. And just so you know, on the card, it does tell you that this is a travel size. This is a deluxe sample size. This is what they're calling a deluxe sample size from Goldfaden MD. This also is a deluxe sample size, and this blush is a deluxe sample size. So when they call something travel size and deluxe sample sizes, these are all products that are gonna last and last. They're not a one and done. So I'm really happy with everything that I received. Please share with me in the comments down below if you got any of the same products, or if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products yet. I would love to know how you felt about them in the comments down below. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.